Hey, what's up guys, my name is Adev and in this video I will show you how you can remove green screen in Sony Vegas. This tutorial was requested by Alright, if you want to request a tutorial then drop them in the comments below or ask me on my social media. And without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, we are in Sony Vegas right now and this is just a part of the older tech news. I believe it's tech news 3. So actually I shooted it in the green screen, so I'm gonna show you guys today how you can remove the green screen, right? So you have to go on video effects, then you have to go on the chroma key here. If you don't have this video effects, just go on view, Windows layout and hit on default layout, then go on view and find chroma key here. From there just go on default and drag that up on your track, on your green screen track. Okay, so as you guys can see, default it's on the blue color, so just disable this chroma key here on the top and just tap on the color and just hit on that eyedropper tool and just choose green color and then enable that. Now as you guys can see, that's gone. The green screen is actually gone now. Sony Vegas is not that much good in removing the green screen, so you have to mess around with these settings to make it a perfect. Okay, so you have to mess around with this kind of settings to make it a perfect green screen. As you guys can see, this is the best settings I think for now. Okay, that's great. Right, so as you guys can see, it's the perfect setting for now, and I'm gonna close that up. And then as you guys can see, there are some objects. You have to make sure that your main object or you are in the green screen, because the other objects can be removed. So just go on this to this cute little button called event pan crop. Sorry guys, actually. Now disable all these two settings or all these two boxes and just drag that up like this, and that's it. That's gone. As you guys can see, there is the black background, and this black background means that you can change it up. Now you can go on Google. Actually you can go on Google and search for like background. Actually you can use any background. You can also use a video as the background. I think you guys would like to know how I actually had my tech news background. I will also show you. Just wait a little bit. I'm gonna just show you guys a simple background how to add that. So this is a background. I'm gonna save it up as the image and save. That's it. I'll go back and here it is. So I'm gonna drag it in Sony Vegas. Now I'm gonna create a new video track, and the green screen footage should be on the top of the background, and just drag that. Here we got it. If it also has this black bar, just go on properties, maintain aspect ratio, disable and disable resample, and that's it. As you guys can see, here we have that pretty cool background. Now let's play this. What I will go on the back like this. I will crop it actually right there. So now let's play this. So here we got it. As you guys can see, here we have this pretty cool backgrounded footage. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I add actually my studio, right? So you have to actually download any kind of studios with that. You can search on Google for green screen studio, and then you will get a lot this kind of studios. Drag it. Here we got it. Now you just have to resize it. Just go on this track motion from here, just make it smaller or bigger, whatever you need, and set it up. So that's it. Here is how I may actually make my tech news, and that's basically it. So guys, that's basically how you can remove a green screen in Sony Vegas. It's really simple. Just you have to mess around with the settings a little bit, because Sony Vegas is not good at removing the background. Alright, thanks for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, hit that thumbs up, drop your comments and suggestions below. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I will catch you guys later. It's me, Deep, signing off.